Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station? Welcome to the channel, jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel's name is always the topic of discussion, whether directly or indirectly, whether music, business, or in this case, the ladies. Now, viewers and subscribers, recently, Shorty go live. I see some people forward in a comment section, as our friend said, I do it for the clout. Now, Mama make an emotional response, and whether or not you might like our statements, it were rooted in the truth, or it was rooted in the truth. Now, I couldn't hear what she have to say, and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
She made make noise, I say, I wonder. Look up yourself, what's Benzema with it?
Give a fuck. I don't give a fuck who he want up and who he want fuck.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, Mama said as she are the official first lady. And some people have said this is a direct statement towards Lisa Hype. No, viewers and subscribers, think about it. Lisa actually said she had the Gaza first lady. This wasn't nothing to do with Vybz Kartel and his personal affairs. Think about it. Despite, yeah, we know the video, we know all of the yeah. Despite all of that, it was not a statement about. And as recently, as since week, we see Sheba, we see Jody Couture, see Lisa Mercedes name in the mix. As I say, we see Lisa Hype in the mix. You so are going, always the topic of discussion. But I feel like said there is somewhat of an agenda. They want to see Gaza Nation split apart, viewers and subscribers. If you don't know this, what going on. They want start some form of separation and then realize, say, yo, one of the easiest way to do it is to put the ladies against them one another. Because it can easily incite certain people not gonna like certain statements being made in general. So when they make certain statements about people, it gonna force them or prompt them to respond. And that within itself create an outlook from outside like, oh wait, them no good. Things are going over there. Watch them argue over teacher. Nothing like that not take place. Mama make an emotional response to somebody with a comment upon her life. Where they make certain statements. This was in no way a statement against any artist where Vybz Kartel work with. But it might appear that way. And that's what they want it to seem like, viewers and subscribers. Mama said what she said. And truth be told, who else have that connection to the teacher? Remember? Right now, currently, the name them out here, them a call, and the people will say, thrown into the mix. Out of all of them, Mama say, oh, we alone got the bank got deal with certain, you understand? The truth and the truth that no need no multiple statements. That no need no explanation. You can't debate that. Not only do they have a personal relationship, they have youth together. They have a functioning business relationship. Yeah. Who you think give the teeth? Who you think is Shorty the concept, the idea, and the funding for the record label? One thing, you feel that them things that pop up out of thin air. No, them things that pop up out of thin air. And united we are, viewers and subscribers. The ladies will always have their disagreements. That's how it go. The ladies will always choose to disagree from time to time. And for the better part, in the entertainment sector, it is always very entertaining to see women get at it. You know what's going on. Sometimes the things that they release, things that them say. Because one thing with a woman, you see when she feel like she have to make a statement, her statements are always unfiltered. It's like how some people say something strategically. No, when they get on one certain side of a woman, yo, she just gotta say what she feel like to say. And then after that, she said, well, you know what I mean? At that prompt, before make that statement, they never did. But she got talk it unfiltered. She got say it raw. Chicken and Kentucky, so them say, no. They shall give it raw though. Unfiltered. And that's the way Mama choose to do. Shorty, big up yourself. One of the only female music moguls at this point in time. Yeah? Remember, your album was also, your record label was also along with the other Vybz Kartel record label, which is predominantly his Vybz Kartel music, released one of the biggest albums for the year. So, with that alone being said, yeah, do it, mama. Some other people statement not no leg for stand up on. I those statements them make as your friend in the foreground say, yo, watch you. Everybody already knew. Say a Shorty teacher say. This is a known fact. But enough for wonder that this is a known fact. So for people even now say, yo, ooh, this and that, you can't say how the North Americans that call people we are troll. Seeking a response for do the same thing. We do the same thing also that take place right now in front of the media. But talk to me in the comment section, I know how you feel. But what go on? You know what I mean? As I'm say, over the last number of days, we see a number of, females who are directly brought to prominence by Vybz Kartel. I only for name calling. We hear Sheba talk about Vanessa. Vanessa in a respond. Jody Katori in the mix with Lisa. You know what I mean? Only for thing I go on. You see me? Lisa Mercedes' name being added to the mix. All the ladies them the teacher I work with. Is there a strategy there by the opposition? I would think so. All the findings point to that. Because as you notice, people are planting the seeds. And then the ladies are go live and them a vent. Because them are here to talk and make. And then statements are being misconstrued. When somebody say them statement in response, remember now, if somebody hears somebody talk about them and them respond in a manner of saying, watching them address statements and hear say, yeah, make it go different, and that fuel also another response from the person where the person I respond to. It's a cycle. It's a cycle. You say something about me, here say you say something about me, and me respond. And then just I go on now, you are gonna know here when me say about you prompting your response. It might not be hard maths, but a maths will work. It's simple, at the same thing we do in the music industry. In the music industry, just the mere mention of one artist's name prompts another artist for also respond or mention that artist again, and then we have a musical lyrical confrontation. So as something we tried and proven, we know it go. And if it would have work, I just when it would have work, or long before it worked. That was the only thought. But then they realized here with dancehall's dominant musical group being the Gaza Nation, if you want to get them out, what we have to do? Cause separation. That's how them are try for the viewers and subscribers. Them are try for divide and conquer. Them are try for divide and conquer. That is the play where them are make in the industry currently. But we are where we are going. Now go work. Now go work. United we stand. We say the way them talk about Tommy Lee's part of track. United we stand. Talk to me in the comment section though. I don't know how to feel about even the play, the plot. You see it? I don't know if you see it. As the message on the east side, is it? I don't know if you notice viewers and subscribers. And talk to me if you agree with that statement. So what you know? You have some people strategically try to create a division in a Gaza Nation as a way of say, yo, get them out, because the teacher's music is always the dominant music and it will always be the dominant music as long as music is being released. They realize they're not the control over that. They must say, alright, we're not in control over the support. What we can do is create a divide amongst the artists themselves, the stakeholders themselves, the people who are involved in the movement. That's the new aim, that's the new plot. It won't work. But it's the one called Jayden Chase, dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. I am reminding you now. If you're new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that, put it on all. This is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content, as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Right, it's up on the platform. Like icon, the share icon is in close proximity. Comment section always open 24/7. Use them up. Drop a like, drop a share, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason. Comment section open 24/7, just like I'm saying. Drop a comment to your thoughts there. And remember, be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions in the comment section. You wanna move setting spam, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are gonna live, love, and prosper until the reason again.